Alrighty, for my technology integration project, I chose to use my PLN to describe to you guys what that actually is. It's called edweb.net, and it's a huge resource for myself throughout our modules here in our classroom. I actually use it for other classes as well. It's a great way to keep in contact with other educators, not even throughout the United States, but throughout the world, really, and discuss different types of educational techniques that you may use with different students and so forth. Here's kind of my homepage I created for our actual back in module one. It's kind of like Facebook really is. You can add up your own picture, have your own profile. You can start a blogs over here, discussion forums, such things like that. But the main focus that EdWeb is about is the communities. I'm just in one community for our class. It's the technology in school. Obviously, that makes sense since it's a technology class. Here's the feed. Again, it's kind of pretty similar to Facebook. You can see what people are discussing within my community. So let's browse communities here. It's an easy way to get started. And as you can see, as we pull up the browse communities, there's a couple of them that come up here. These are the more popular ones. And these, I mean, can range from, here's actually digital citizenship, um, assessing for learning, stuff like that. And these are kind of the main communities within the EdWeb itself. I mean, there's more popular ones. Many of these communities range, as you can see here. I mean, if you need help in like career education or computer and science, it's just a bunch of different discussion forums and communities that you guys can talk with other people in this community and discuss kind of ways that can better your teaching and better your yourself as an educator. Here's special education needs, which probably most of us will be wanting to as well. Again, it's a very interesting PLN, and I would recommend it to use for anyone. Um, the one that I kind of liked the most was the technology one. It actually provided, and here's actually a tech tool ones too. I mean, you can click on any community, but the technology one that I had, it gave me ideas how to use different technologies and how to use different technologies within the classroom and how to utilize them effectively. Most of the communities have a web-based um, webinar. So they a lot of times will have someone teaching in the box here. And here I can give you a little example. So as you can see, it's someone teaching. They'll discuss whatever topic they want to discuss, and it's a lot of them will have either webinars weekly, they'll have webinars daily. Just depends on how many users are in the webinar themselves. So probably the most important, or actually the best aspect that I like about EdWeb is how easy it is um, to join these communities. As you can see here, as it discussed, there's webinars and such things, but it's as simple as this. Join community, return to community, you can check out, see if it worked. Go to my communities now, see I had this one first, and now here's our tech tools that we had before. Again, it's super easy. You can join any community that you want or need help in, and it's a really cool tool for you guys to use and connect with other educators throughout the world.